My husband and I decided to seek treatment for fertility after we were trying for 1 year to conceive and were unsuccessful. We spoke to Dr. Garvencress, our OBGYN, and she suggested that we seek fertility treatments. My husband went online and found a fertility doctor out of Aurora Bay Care Medical Center. The process of in vitro fertilization that we went through involves a series of shots, egg retrieval, fertilization of the embryos, and then embryo transfer back into the mother. It was about 3 weeks after our embryo transfer, we made a phone call to our fertility clinic, and they told us that we were successfully pregnant. And we continued seeing them up until 12 weeks, and then after 12 weeks, we came back to Two Rivers to see Dr. Garvencress for a normal pregnancy. At 32 weeks of pregnancy, I was admitted to Aurora Bay Care Medical Center because we found out that our unborn son was considered intrauterine growth restricted, and I was put on bed rest for 2 weeks, and in those 2 weeks we had daily ultrasounds to monitor his growth and stability, and after 2 weeks we found out that he'd only gained 3 ounces and an emergency section was necessary because they told us it was better for him to be outside than inside to get the proper growth and nutrition that he needed. We found that all of our doctors worked together collaboratively on my care and knowing what was going on with our unborn son, and even once he was born, the care that he got in the NICU from the many nurses and doctors were exceptional. For other patients seeking fertility help, my biggest recommendation is don't wait. If you're trying and things aren't happening naturally, seek help. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid of the process. Everyone we worked with was very helpful and walked us through every step and made it very easy. For other parents who find out that their unborn child is considered an intrauterine growth restricted baby, I would recommend just asking questions and talking to other people who've been in this situation. It was very helpful to us to know other people's perspectives or other stories and just be open about it. Our son Oliver is a graduate of the NICU and fertility clinic, and every year they offer a miracle celebration up at Aurora Bay Care Medical Center. It's nice to see other families that have either gone through the same process of fertility or have had to use the NICU like we did. We find the experience fantastic.